Hello and welcome to my new tutorial where I show you how to paint green olives. This tutorial is a part of my new class on Skillshare that you can find by the link in the description. I will use three colors: green, Payne's gray and yellow ochre. I painted this olive branch on the paper for the cards, but you can use any size of the paper for this painting. Let's start painting. First, I will prepare my color mixes on the palette. For the color of the olives, I will mix green and yellow ochre. For the stem, I will mix yellow ochre and Payne's gray. And for the leaves, I will mix green and cobalt blue. Also, I will use green and a little bit of yellow ochre. It's not that yellow like here in the mix for the olives. I will start painting the branch using mix of yellow ochre and Payne's gray. I'm lifting the color so it won't be too dark. And I will paint this olive. I will cover it with water first, leaving a small area without water for the highlight. And somewhere I can make it even more green, but not too green. Now I see that the green shade is too much. So I'm lifting the color to one corner, so it would be the shadow, because on the right side we have a highlight. So on the left side we will have a dark area. Okay, now I will mix a bit darker shadow for this little thing. And I will do the same with this olive. Maybe a bit more yellow ochre. And maybe a bit of Payne's gray. It also creates very nice olive shade. And I will also add it on the left side here. And I can come back to the first olive and also add some more mix with Payne's gray. Now let's paint the third one. Same steps. I'm using hot pressed paper, so it almost doesn't have texture and the colors are nicely blending. And it shouldn't be too dark, because on the background behind this olive we have a dark leaf. I lost the shape of the olive here and I have to fix it. Okay, now we can go to the leaf and I will add a little bit of green shade to this mix of yellow ochre and Payne's gray. And I will first cover 1/2 of the leaf with a clean water. And then I will cover it with different shades of green. But I want this leaf to be cold. So I'm using mix with Cobalt Blue. Now I will load my brush with more warm color and I will go right away with the other half, but I will leave a very thin white line separating these two halves. We will paint it later. I can add a bit of water here to to blend the different shades of green and even add a bit of pure cobalt blue. And maybe here as well. Okay, I also want to add some darker color here and here to highlight the olives. And also maybe here on the left side. And here as well. Just to add some shadow so it would look natural. And now I can paint the last leaf. What I will do, I will cover the bottom of the leaf with water, going closely to the olive. And then I will start applying the color from the bottom to the top. And here under this olive will be the darkest green color. I will even add a bit of Payne's gray to the green. And I will do the same with the other half. Too much water. Also leaving a very thin line in the middle. I'm blending the colors. The only thing left is to cover the middle white lines with a very light green shade that I have on the palette. I load my brush with a very light mix and I carefully cover this white line with this very light shade. The most important thing is that the leaf is already dry. This tutorial is part of my new class on Skillshare, Easy Botanicals Watercolor. You can join the class by the link in the description. Hope to see you in the class.